Now let's see this data interpretation topic. In this topic, data will be given for us in various forms and we are supposed to answer the questions based on the given data. And there are various ways they can give you the data. So some of the forms are like this. We shall discuss all these topics in detail again. I'll just give you a brief introduction here. Now one way of representing the data is in the form of pie charts or circle graphs. So pie charts or circle graph means a graph will be given in form of a circle and then it will be divided based on some degree or some percentages, and now we are supposed to extract information on this. And coming to the bar graph, you will be given the data in form of some bars, right? And these bars, based on the height of each bar, you can find out what its value is. That will be given in the graph. Anyway, we shall again see the examples. You will understand from that. And in line graphs, it is just like your normal Cartesian graph where you will have x-axis and y-axis, and then data will be given in forms of the lines, right? And next one is tables. In tables, you are going to have the data represented in form of rows and columns, and based on that you are supposed to interpret the data. And mixed graphs means you can have a combination of any of these graphs, so that is called as mixed graphs. So data will be given to you in any of these forms and you are supposed to extract the meaningful information from the data. And while solving these questions, we are going to apply some of the concepts which we have already seen, and one such concept is average. As you remember, the average is nothing but sum of all the values divided by number of values. This is the formula we are going to use while finding out the average. And the next one is percentages. So percentages, some questions will be like this: x is what percent of y. So for that you are going to apply x by y into 100, or percentage change will be asked. In that case you are going to write final value minus initial value by initial value into 100. And again, some concepts will be based on ratios which we have already seen. Got it? So data will be given overall and you are supposed to extract the information using various tools that we have seen till now. Now all these methods I'll explain you with examples. For each model we shall take some questions and we can solve them. Okay? Fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.